Grabe yung effort talaga, no?
I would like only to tell you guys, really, I am so shocked. Too much people coming. Oh my God. Really, definitely all the people from the Philippines, from the other country, I know they're all watching. Say hello first. Hello.
Yes, we are live. Live din tayo.
Nini, wait, I want to say hello, then they will say DSF na.
Yeah, go.
Okay. Hello. DSF, you tell DSF. Okay?
With the head.
With the head, shaky head should be na. Okay, presents. Oh, say hello.
Ay, ang galing ni ate.
Oh my God, I saw.
Gumagano talaga sila.
Binangga niya yung ulo ng kapila.
Gumagano.
So really, I wanted to comment at the bench. My God, it is really such an honor for us to witness. They are very, very good tonight. Super. Even me, I was wondering how they come up same as like professional na. But they're all teens,
Yes,
each and every state na they came. Really shout out to all the people from 7 states of UAE.
Yes!
Shout out.
And syempre, let's comment lang din yung kanilang parents and kanilang family. Totoo support talaga sa kanila, di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi yan mangyayari kung di supportive yung kanilang family. Kaya, thank you very much po sa mga supporters ng ating mga band. Ayan, palakpakan muna natin mga ating mga sarili, guys.
Yes.
A Pinay Indian accent, Jen. The people wanna know, are you really Indian?
Actually, even me myself and I was trying to put myself together if I'm really from India or from Philippines. Actually, I'm really confused right now. I have a very good clothes tonight, sir, Indian.
Wow.
But my nose from the Philippines. What to do? My color from the Philippines. What to do? But definitely, really, we really want to say thank you all of you here.
Salamat po. Thank you very much.
Here, and at the back. Okay? At the back. You know back?
Yeah.
No, I can see you on the back kasi meron
May
tayong
spirit na sa likuran.
They will,
Wait.
Oh, wait. Asan yung camera?
they
Ayun.
see, oh my God.
Hi!
People at the back.
People at the back, hello!
Hello,
Yes.
Melissa. Oh my God, I would like to say hello to my mother.
Hi!
How are you, mother? I'm already an artist. It is entertaining.
May bias yan. Sige.
Oh, diba?
Let's take the opportunity. Let's promote our
Yes, where they can find you.
Where they can find me, even like especially right now, I'm here. Little belly, as you know, this is the trademark, right? Never deny it. Too much there.
No, but in a serious note, Miss
Yeah,
Jen,
please, yeah.
if the audience want to follow you, saan ka ba nila?
Sure, absolutely. I'm available everywhere now. Social media account, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, also little, and also Instagram. Please, you do follow what up send, You send the money, 25 dirham extra additional, Pinay India, you put,
Sana
Pinay
all.
India. Acha, thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so much, Pinoy Indian accent.
Ridden.
Where can they find you? And also, if you want to follow me, guys, if you want to watch daily vlogs, travel vlogs, and food vlogs, this is my page, Redan Sigo po, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And also, kung gusto natin magpadala ng libre, kahit ilang beses, kahit anong oras, use the code Redan, free 25 dirhams po yan. Okay, top send tayo. Free ang padala. Wala kayong babayaran dyan. Hassle-free. Connect to Gcash, Maya, any bank accounts. And Cebuana Pickup Luwal.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Jen.
Bago kayo mo, mag-selfie naman tayo kasama ang ating audience. Because you are young artist, ha? You are
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
By the
Ayan.
way, guys, pagbigyan nyo kami, never namin ito nagawa for the past 6 weeks.
Ay, ang galing.
Master.
Paano mo kailangan?
At the back! Jump shot! 1, 2!
Lakas mga artista, no? Grabe.
They see my fat on the back. What to do?
Once again, Redan and Pinoy Indian accent.
Palakpakan naman natin, guys. Thank you so much. Yes.
Kami din. Thank you. Oh, Elton,